Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you my Honda Element no build version, and I have two Honda Elements, one where I have a small build and this one where I don't have any build at all. So if I want to convert it to just a passenger vehicle or back into a camper, I can do that very easily and there's no building required, which is the best part. So first things first is I have my Australian Shepherd Toby. He's a good boy, he guards the place. But underneath him, I have this bed platform, and it's basically a trifold mattress, which you can find on Amazon or Walmart, and it extends the length all the way to the passenger seat, and that gives me a lot of space, way more than I need. I'm 5'9", and I fit very comfortably. I bring two pillows along with me so I can sleep very comfortably at night. And for storage, I have this guy here. So these containers here, you can find them at Home Depot. They're very convenient, and as you can see, it fits pretty much flush right next to the little bed mattress I have there. And this is 27 gallons, so you have a ton of space for all of your clothes and accessories, whatever you need. I maintain the third passenger seat because if I want to take a third passenger, I can definitely do that. And for privacy at night, I have these Reflectix tape, which I've created myself. You can just cut them out for the size of the windows, and those are really cheap. It's like 30 bucks on Amazon or at Home Depot. So on the outside of the vehicle, I've got this really nice ARB awning, and I use that anytime it's really sunny. Today was really sunny and it came in super handy. And I really like this little awning area because it provides a ton of shade. So if it's really hot outside, I don't have to hang out inside of the Element. I can be out here, read a book, work on my laptop, do whatever I got to do. And for bigger, bulkier items like this chair and a lot of my cooking equipment, I store that on top with my nice Thule box here. Now I got this secondhand. I paid like 200 bucks for it, and it's a steal for how much space and storage I get with that. And that's mounted on top of some nice Thule racks. I believe you can use the OEM racks if you have them, but I had the Thule rack, so it goes nicely with the Thule roof box. Now on this side of the vehicle, I have my Milwaukee cooler, and this is where I store all of my food. It's a nice insulated cooler, so it keeps everything cold for a really long time, a couple days in there. I don't have to worry about it. And that's pretty much it. I kind of push the seats up so I have more space in the back to hang out. Up there's just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. But it's so easy. I can just pull all of this stuff out and convert it back into a passenger vehicle if I need to use it for hauling people. So when I'm filming videos for this YouTube channel, I basically have the cooler that I was just talking about, and I kind of sit here and rest on the cooler, and I use this kind of like a little desk, and it's great because I can get these really awesome views wherever I'm parked up, and I can get a ton of work done in this space. So that's kind of how I work if I'm going to chill inside of the Element. So this cooler is multi-purpose. It's not only a cooler, but it also can serve as a desk. And some people might find this to be a little uncomfortable to sit this way, but I think it's super comfortable. I can stretch out my legs. I don't have to hunch over. I can keep my back really upright while I'm working. So I really enjoy working inside of this space, actually. I get a ton of work done, and I find it to be a little inspirational to be in places like this where it's super beautiful and I'm working on my videos. So that's how I get some work done when I'm chilling in this thing. So this here is my Goal Yeti 200X, and this is how I power everything. So I power my laptop, I power my drone, my phone, my watch, everything from this guy here. And you have to buy a additional adapter, this DC adapter, which plugs into the DC outlet here for the Honda Element. This is like $39, and I believe this is $200 or so. But it gives me plenty of power, and then it just charges as I drive around. I haven't needed anything more, but I feel like if I had a fridge or something that required more power, I might need a bigger power bank than this one. But I really like this one. It's got the DC outlet, and I also have a 60-watt USB here, which is great, and then just a good old-fashioned like home plug outlet. So this is the Goal Yeti. Very powerful, very light, and I couldn't recommend it enough. It's an awesome product here. So that's my setup that I use for the Honda Element to sleep inside without any building at all. And what I'll do for you guys is I'll leave links down below in the description of this video so you can find all of those tools that you need to convert your Honda Element into a little camper. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.